Hello guys, I'm Narmeen Malik, admin of PGNX Paderborn. I moved to Germany 2 months ago for my Masters in Neurosciences, Sports and Exercise at Paderborn University. Currently, I am living in Felixx and today I will show you what you can get in 388 euros per month in Germany. So let's delve into it. This is Felixx and now we will go inside the Felixx. This is the main entrance and here we can see some mailboxes. So one good thing about Felixx, it's very well maintained. And this is my room. Okay, so we got a cute space here for our stuff. And we have some hooks here. Now let's move to the room. Okay, so you get a single bed in studio apartment and a study table. And this is my small little cute kitchen. So it's a studio apartment, so you get kitchen inside the room and we have some shelves to put our cutlery and fridge, and here you can store the meat on the upper section. And this is my study table. Now let's move to the washroom. This is what my washroom looks like. This is how my room looks like in the daylight. And don't forget guys to open your windows, it's very important here in Germany. Now we are going to the rooftop. I absolutely love the rooftop of my building. It's so good. Like, just look at it, you can see the whole Paderborn from here. And that's the technology park. I'll show you the other side as well. Okay, that's the parking, so you can park your cars or whatever you have, your vehicles there. So now let's move to the basement where you can see a cycle parking for the students. Most of the students in Germany rode bikes, so we have a small bike setup. And how can we forget clothes? Lots and lots of dirty clothes. So we have laundry in the basement as well. And this is what the laundry looks like. Okay, you have to put the coins in the coin machine and then machine will start working. This is the coin machine. This is the printer, which I haven't used yet, but they have given all these instructions here. Now let's move outside of the building. Okay, here you can dump your waste. And this is the last part of the video. I hope you liked it. Bye.